Everybody, I just wanted to show you how to install a speed test app on Windows 10. Checking your internet speed is probably something you should do quite regularly. Make sure your broadband provider is doing their job and giving you the speed that you paid for. One of the best speed test companies, I think, is speedtest.net by Ookla. You can do this via a web browser, but then you're plagued with ads, or you can do it via the app, which is made for Windows 10. So how to install that? So if you're clicking the search bar and type in store, you get the Microsoft Store appear. Go into that and type speedtest.net. And you'll see this one, Speed Test by Ookla. If you click on that, and then it's as simple as clicking install. That shouldn't take too long. It's only 41 megabytes. Installing completed. So once you've got that in, just click open, and then you've got a speed test window. Just click on go straight away. I'll just maximize that and make it easier. So you can see here I'm on BT, British Telecom. First test it does is a ping test to the server it's using for the speed test, in my case 3 milliseconds, incredibly quick. And then it does the download speed. You can see here mine is around about 270 megabytes, and then it will do an upload speed test. So here mine is about 110. And then once that's all completed, you're ready to go again when you need to. Hope that helps. I'll see you in the next one.